Traditional welding relies on rigid jigs that limit flexibility and increase costs for custom parts. This multi-robot cell redefines manufacturing through jigless welding, where cooperative robots simultaneously hold, position, and weld components. At its core, two industrial manipulators working in harmony with a collaborative welding robot. Precision begins before the first spark. Joint identification with a high-resolution profilometer, 18 degrees of freedom synchronized in 4-millisecond control cycles. Decision-making centralized in a ROS-based open-source decentralized architecture. This heterogeneous solution enables real-time trajectory adjustments for precise positioning while welding, capturing rich data for quality inspection.